What is going on, my future crypto millionaires? Now, I hope you guys are all having a really good day because this is going to be a super important update if you're thinking about swing trading crypto, whether that's XRP or something else. And I'm going to give you some advice in this one that I think is just going to help a lot of you guys out long term. I'm also going to be showing you my Robinhood account once again here. I've been swing trading mainly XRP on here. I've done a little bit of Dogecoin, some Bitcoin, and for the day I'm doing pretty decent. But if we take a look at the week real quick here, a little bit better. But I'm down on a position right now. For the month, I'm doing pretty decent still. So things are looking pretty decent right now. And I am locked in a trade that I'm actually down on, believe it or not. But things are still kind of like going in the direction I need them to at the moment. And I am also going to talk about strategy a little bit too here, with swing trading crypto. Okay, anyways, let's first get off of Robinhood, and I want to pull up CoinMarketCap real quick here. And this is going to be off of TradingView, which is basically what you're going to be seeing here is a chart of XRP. Now, if you are looking for a coin to swing trade crypto with, I would recommend XRP right now. I think that the way things are headed, it's going to stay a top coin, obviously. Probably could flip Ethereum at some point to be the top 2 coin. I think that's, very possible. Probably short and even long term coming up here. But the reason I'm recommending you guys take a look at swing trading XRP as a coin is because, if you look at how much this coin has just been moving, there's a lot of volatility with it. If I just pull up some 4-hour charts, you can see how much this thing moves, man. Now, the thing here is, let's pretend you got in a swing trade down here where it was trading for like 240. And then you bought it kind of right around here, which if you kind of just look at the chart on here, you could see this is kind of like the resistance it had down here. So let's say you just bought it like 240, worst case scenario, maybe it dropped down to, what is that, like 230. If you just bought right around like 240 and then watched it shoot up to right around like 278 is an example here within a matter of just a few days, that's a really good return, depending on how much you're buying in for. And you can see it just has a lot of like peaks and valleys like that. Even if we pull up like the 1-hour chart on here, or if we just go by, the 1 day, you can see that it's been moving around, a lot on the day. Now, the thing about swing trading is it's not like day trading. So what you're going to basically be doing here is, holding whatever crypto it is, XRP or something else for a few days, typically to maybe a few weeks. Sometimes you might get locked in a swing trade for a couple of months, but typically like when I do swing trading, it's not going to take that long. It's usually like a week or two. Sometimes if I get in a bad trade, I'll be holding it for a while. That happens, and it's completely normal. But XRP is a coin to, swing trade with right now, man. I'll tell you what, it's definitely one I would be looking at. And you can kind of see right here, I had a terrible position I bought in on here, and I'm actually down 60,000 on it, even though my account's up because I've made some other good trades for, whatever the last 30 days. I am in a bad trade right now on XRP. And let me say this. I also believe in XRP like as a long-term coin. It's just that, and this is the important part of this update, a lot of you guys who buy into XRP hoping it's going to go to like, $100 or $30 in the next like few months or whatever, you got to realize like every time it shoots up, it also comes back down. And it's frustrating to watch it go up and then watch, your portfolio just take like a 20% hit after it goes down, or sometimes even more. Sometimes XRP has dropped as much as like 40% after having a big pump. And, it can be brutal to just like watch all that profit go away. But when you lock in those gains, man, you could actually just, reinvest that money and grow your XRP bag. And sure, you're going to be paying short-term capital gains. But at the end of the day, man, we all want to make money, right? And if you're just sitting there holding your bag, long term, you might be missing out on some of those gains. And this is not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want to do. I'm just saying, you should consider looking at swing trading as an option. And obviously Robinhood, I've been doing well here, once again, just for like the last, we'll pull up what the 1 year, this account is up a lot. and it's mainly from swing trading. That's how I've done it. Now, I do keep a separate bag of crypto, not on the exchange. Obviously, this is just like a trading portfolio for me. I do have my long-term portfolio as well. And another thing, like let's say, as an example, like let's say you have maybe 10,000 XRP coins, which might seem high, but let's say that like you've already locked in your long-term position, but you want to maybe trade with like 1,000 of those coins, swing trade. You can do that as well. I'm not saying you have to like use your whole bag to swing trade. You can mix things up and do things how you want to do, right? Another coin I would recommend looking at for swing trading would obviously be Bitcoin. It's going to be sometimes a little bit more boring, but it can also be a little bit more stable at times too. So it's another option. You can see for the last week, it's done pretty well. The last month, it's down still, and then we get the 3 month. It's also kind of just been hovering where it is. So a little bit less volatility with it. Lately, it has been moving a little bit more, but it's another coin. It's a little bit safer, for swing trading. And I think I forgot to mention too, if you guys do, want to get started on Robinhood, I would recommend using them. I've been using them for years. Obviously they got the zero trading fees, and I trust them. Otherwise, I wouldn't keep all this money on here. So there are actually going to be some bonus links for getting started on here, directly below in the description and comments. Also, you guys could get on our crypto newsletter. I send one email a week out on that. It's really only for updates worth your time to look at, and I would recommend checking that out as well. So those will be in the description or comments. Okay, finally, guys, I do want to end things with an article here on the Crypto Basic. And before I even say this, when you are swing trading crypto, okay, I would say look for gains really between like 3 and 5% at a time. A lot of the time you don't want to get greedy because crypto moves so much so fast. I think it's better to just lock in smaller gains faster, like 3 to 5%, as opposed to waiting for like 10 or 20%, which can happen. It's just sometimes it takes longer for that to happen. And if you can lock in smaller gains faster, it's going to just accumulate faster and the percentage will be better. Okay. All right. Now let's go on. Also, if you guys have any questions about any of this, you can message me below. All right. But here we go. This is from the Crypto Basic, and it just is an XRP article. It just says that it's going to go anywhere from like 100 to 1,000 in 5 to 10 years, which is a good thing, not just for long-term holders, but for swing trading because, it's going to have a bunch of moves. All right. Anyways, also link this up below if you want to read it, but it says XRP is among the crypto assets benefiting from Bitcoin's ongoing recovery surging past 260. Notably, today's gain has improved XRP's performance to a 16% increase amid this market. Observers have expressed strong optimism the price could go higher ahead. In a tweet, crypto pundit Random Crypto Pal stated that XRP is giga bullish. He referenced statements from Matthew Brenson, Chief Operating Officer of Crypto Charge, who argued that XRP has a high possibility chance of reaching anywhere between $100 to $1,000 in coming years. Brennan shared that XRP is his largest investment, making up half of his portfolio. He revealed that he's been stacking XRP for over 5 years. Brennan emphasized that his XRP strategy includes short-term and long-term plans, kind of like I'm talking about here with swing trading. While he intends to sell a substantial portion of the profits in the near term, he's also committed to holding on to some XRP for the next 5 to 10 years. During this time, Brennan projects XRP's value to have crossed the 3-digit range. All right, so how could XRP get up to that $1,000 mark? Brennan long-term confidence in XRP stems from his unique value proposition in the global remittance sector. He highlighted the asset's potential in revolutionize money transfers, saying moving money globally in 5 seconds for a fraction of a penny is a game changer. And that's kind of what I've been saying and everyone's been saying about XRP for a long time. I mean, the use case is just too big to ignore for moving money and for banks. Other analysts' view on XRP's future price. Brennan is not alone predicting significant growth for XRP. Several analyst community members have expressed similar expectations, with some forecasting a price of 100 in the near term. All right, so the near term for me, guys, saying XRP is going to get up to $100 in the near term is just a little bit outrageous. But here's the thing. If you take advantage of the big moves that happen in crypto, whether it's with XRP or another coin, when you see those big pumps, when you start to understand how things move in crypto, like XRP, for example, it's never just going to shoot up like that. It could go up like 100% in a day, which is really hard for it to do. The gains that you typically see with like XRP like max in a day, maybe 40% max, because eventually it's gonna, you know, hit a wall where the RSI needs to reset and it just gets overheated, and then you see selling pressure. It's a normal thing. You see it all the time. That's why swing trading is so powerful, and locking in gains, you know, to compound your money faster and grow your XRP bag faster is it's what it's all about, guys. All right, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this update. Like I said, get on our newsletter, you know, subscribe if you haven't. You know, looking forward to showing you some big gains here in the, you know, coming days and weeks, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.